Laziest way to make money on the internet. Let me show you how. Go to youtube.com and search here ocean sounds and all the video comes in your screen. As you can see, people are getting millions of views for posting ocean sound videos. You can also see scroll down and some of these channels are earning more than $250k a year. How? Step 1, go to pixels.com and search here ocean waves, and you can get all the ocean waves videos or totally free and download the video that you like. Step 2, go to justplot.com and find a sound that you matches the video, and you can also download the music from audio library. Step number 3, editing the video in your favorite app. You can also choose any of these, and you can also download KineMaster VN. Now go to YouTube and upload your edited videos and publish them, and consistently upload the videos on YouTube up to 6 months and earn money $250k per year.